Hi guys, Parc Testnet is live. Okay, Parc is a digital real estate protocol built on Solana. I really am not sure about the pronunciation, but then I'll go with Parc. Okay, so Parc is a digital real estate built on Solana, and I really look forward to see what it is. I mean, how it works, and the potential on Solana blockchain. I really hope it's huge. Yeah, as you can see, it joined May 2021. So we are going to be testing its network. Yeah, we're going to be testing its network, as you can see the guide here. And through this guide, we will test its network as well as provide reviews, okay, useful feedback as to grow and to develop its network. And this will enable us to earn rewards for testing the protocol. As you can see, our testnet is live, earn rewards for testing our protocol. Okay. As you can see, the Parc testnet is launched on was launched on March 30th. Okay, and it's going to be on till April 10th. So you all need to get involved ASAP. So 2,000 testnet participants that provide thoughtful, useful feedback will earn a whitelist spot for the Homeowners Association NFTs, among other benefits and rewards where eligible. All right. So now looking at the HOA NFT utility that we are going to be getting for participating in this airdrop, okay, it's going to allow you early access to the mainnet, and then it's going to boost protocol rewards. Okay, as you can see, boost protocol rewards. You become eligible for boosting reward by participating early in the protocol and completing activities such as minting, providing liquidity, and trading. Okay, which we are going to do. You may also be eligible for future airdrops, and then discounted merge. Okay, NFT holders will be eligible for discounted merge. Okay, so cool. And then IRL events, all of that. So these are the utility of this NFTs that we'll receive as a result of testing this network. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to have a phantom wallet. All right. Have a phantom wallet. All right. So this is mine. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for you to get this wallet. I mean, if you do not have the Phantom wallet, it's easy. Just you follow the link, then add to MetaMask. I mean, add to Chrome. Yeah, and all of that. Yeah. All right. So this is the wallet, and so when you have the wallet and you've added to your Chrome extension or your browser extension, you need to come over to settings, and then you change your network from mainnet to devnet. Okay, this is what you need. You need a devnet. All right. With that done, you go over to Park. Okay, and then on trade you would connect your wallet. Okay, so you connect to Phantom, so you can use any other wallet that you have, I mean that you use. Yeah, and then you connect wallet. Okay, as you can see, wallet connected already. The next you're going to do is you're going to come over to faucet. Okay, and then you're going to claim this airdrop. Okay, so we'll claim this Solana airdrop. It's loading. Okay, just successful. And then USDC airdrop, and it's showing zero over here. All right. I think it's going to cost a little bit of fee. All right, so we'll do that. I don't think it's meant to collect any fee though. All right, so after claiming the Sol airdrop, we'll claim the USDC airdrop. Um, These are the DevNet though, so there is really no charges to your main account, as you can see. Approve that. All right, beautiful. Okay, so if you intend to claim more, as you can see, the amount keeps increasing. So you can claim as much as possible. As you can see, I can claim this again. All I've got to do is to approve that transaction, and as you can see, it's going to be in my wallet. Okay. Now, the next is for me to go to trade. Okay, and then as you can see, my balance 30,000. I'll select the USDC, which is what is there, and then I'll come over and pick any of these landed properties to purchase, okay, in this location, okay, Venice and Williamsburg and all of that, Chelsea, yeah. So I'll just do this one, yeah, and I'll buy one unit of it, okay, just one. I'll buy one, which will cost $3,000, all right. So one unit of this property, and then I'll swap that. All right, beautiful. Going to approve transaction. Waiting for this to load up. And, all right, as you can see, this is what is this is the cost of the land, and this is what I'm receiving. So I'm going to approve that transaction. Let's put this in tokens, okay? And if you tap this icon here, you're going to see the property you've acquired, and you can see its area, okay. The next thing you're going to do after purchasing that property is to go over to borrow, and then you would look for the property you've purchased. For example, I purchased this, okay. You look for it over here, over at the market, and then you tap borrow, okay. And then you're gonna put minimum deposit 0.001. Okay, I can just do 2,000, or I can do $3,000. Okay, just deposit any amount, and as you can see this, okay. So position can be closed by paying the borrowed amount and all of that, yeah. So we just borrow that, and as you can see, we'll confirm that on Phantom. All right, let's approve that. All right, beautiful. Successfully created vault. Okay, successfully created vault. As you can see, that is that. Okay. Please do well to take note of any observation or any feedback you want to provide, as that will help you to get rewards. Okay. So you come over to pool. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to provide liquidity. All right. So I'll go over to the market in which I've borrowed funds from. Make up of the two tokens I have. Okay. The token and the NFTs. Okay. I'll add liquidity, and then I can say, okay, as you can see, I have 2.1. Yeah, I can just do one, and as you can see, this equivalent over here, I'll do one. I don't know if I have to do max. Okay, let's do 3,000. Okay, so we can do 3,000, or let's do 3,500. I mean, it's okay. Add liquidity. Okay, and good, we'll approve that transaction. All right, beautiful, success. All right, success, and you can view that here. All right, you can also test the remove liquidity. All right, just test every aspect of it. Okay, so we've tested the trade, the pull, the borrow. We got assets from faucet, and now the next stage is to provide feedback. Now, note you can repeat all of this over and over again. Go over to trade and buy another property. Keep on buying, keep on buying. If you feel you need more faucets, go over to faucets and claim more. Okay, there's no limit to how far you can go with this. All right. So you provide feedback to increase your chance of earning a whitelist spot. Okay, so you start and provide all of these details. Enter your Twitter and do answer all the questions um, that you're asked, and you'll be good to go. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Do also smash that subscribe button to get updates like this. All right, thanks for your time. Bye.